Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do unboxing with all the items we've ordered from Lazada. So let's go! First item on the box is the Verro single point shower heater. I really need this shower heater because I don't love showering cold. The Verro shower heater costs 3,390 pesos. And here it is, already set up. And I also discovered that with the shower bundled with the heater, it has 5 levels of water pressure in it. And this has to be my favorite. It's like a mist all over your... Now who needs that setting spray? Second item, or shall I say items? We have a rubber propeller guard, valued at 168 pesos. A remote control neck sling at 135 pesos. And the 6 pieces decal stickers for the Mavic Mini, valued at 430 pesos. Third package. This package contains a lot of SnailWhite products. You can tell how obsessed I am with SnailWhite. And we got a freebie. Okay, let's dive in. First we have the gold SnailWhite cream plus the free roller. This is valued at 1,545 pesos and actually a Mother's Day gift for my mom. Here's the free trending facial roller. Also have in the package SnailWhite Creme Body Wash in Russell Rose. valued at 295. I just want to remind everyone that some of the products are on sale, so it varies upon ordering. Next, we have the SnailWhite sunscreen and CC cream in SPF 50. It's on sale, so it's just valued at 795 pesos. It's very small, making it very handy. It only contains 50 ml of product. What I like about this SnailWhite sunscreen is it's light to the face and it's not that heavy, while it's protecting your face under the sun. And we got a freebie, a SnailWhite body booster, basically their version of a lotion, also with SPF 30. Next is the SnailWhite Glow Starter Kit. It contains their best-selling soap and also a free SnailWhite moisturizer. Valued at 995 pesos, you save as much as 200 pesos. Let's open the soap and look what makes it unique. Okay, the net. So SnailWhite introduced to the market their soap with a net. Speaking of soap, we also have a 5+1 SnailWhite whip soap in the package. Valued at 1,270 pesos, you get one free soap. That's how I'm obsessed with SnailWhite products. Fourth package. Now I gotta tell you, TikTok made me buy this. I'm sure you are very familiar with 𝗵𝗵𝗵𝗃. It's a trending product used by celebrities in TikTok. Now we're going to try if it's really that effective. First item is the hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5, valued at 630 pesos. Next is the alpha arbutin 2% plus HA serum, valued at 790 pesos. Is the vitamin C suspension at 30% in silicone, valued at 579 pesos. And finally, the natural moisturizing factors plus HA at 549 pesos. Comment down below if you want an in-depth review of the products. I only got 4, maybe I'll order more. Fifth item. Next item is very important for the very last package that we have. We have the Jessup synthetic eyeshadow brushes. 15 pieces set costing 805 pesos. Now we are all set for a makeup tutorial vlog. Our sixth and final item. This is probably the most exciting of all the packages, and of course, the most expensive. Valued at 3,800 pesos without the shipping fee. Ta-da! We got Jeffree Star's Blue Blood Eyeshadow Palette in the house, y'all! I'm very excited to open and do an unboxing and review of this collection. Now, are you up for some blue shadows in my vlog? We will be opening her up for you to get a little bit of sneak peek. But I promise that there will be a different video for this palette. An in-depth review, we are going to play with the palette, try the different shades, and tell you how does it feel, is it worth it? As you can see right before your very eyes, the Blue Blood palette is inspired by a coffin and also luxury jewelry boxes. So stay tuned for the review. Thanks for watching. Bye guys!